Okay, so let's have a look at the academic writing paper. The academic writing paper is different from the general writing paper. They both have a very similar part two, the same basically, a discursive essay, discuss the arguments for and against something. But part one of academic IELTS is always a bar graph, a pie chart, a line graph, a table, a map, some kind of diagram, and you have to say what you see. Yeah, I want to make this clear that all you need to do on this part of the exam, say what you see. There was a guy on TV years ago in a game show that used to say what you see, say what you see. And all I want you to do is say what you see. And what I mean is I don't want you to talk about I don't want you to give explanations for anything or talk about personal experiences or give concrete examples from your own life. No, certainly not. All you need to do here is look at the information on the diagram or map or table or graph and say what you see. Okay, so that's what you need to do. You've only got 150 words for part one of the academic writing. And I've taken a question here from IELTS 17 and I've basically copied it onto the board because I thought that this was quite a good question in that there's lots to talk about. There's lots you can say. It shows a lot of information because it gives you a table and 2 pie charts. So that's a lot of information. And this is all you get in the exam. So I thought I would show you and then I would show you how I would answer this question. But you can see that you need some very specific vocabulary, number vocabulary that describes graphs and changes. Yeah, you need that vocabulary, and we will see some, of course, in today's class. But in another class, I will put a video just on quantity vocabulary because I think that's very useful for this kind of essay. So we see, let's have a look at the question. Police budget in millions of pounds. That's what that means, in millions of pounds. Sources, national government, local taxes, other sources, whatever that means, I suppose everything else, and total at the bottom. Yeah, there's a total of these numbers at the bottom. And we also see the year 2017 and 2018. So it's showing us the changes in the sources of funding of the police budget in 2007, well, as we go from 2017 to 2018, yeah, we see how the sources of funding change in various ways. And we have to just say